A Santa Claus rally for the cattle market. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Meanwhile, welcome back to Your World in Agriculture for December 17th, 2024. The rundown looks like this. The corn market looks bullish. Soybeans getting some support from crush activity. Flooding rains to hit Brazil. And a Santa Claus rally, as we mentioned, may be headed for the cattle market. It is the last full trading week for 2024 markets. For the month, corn is up 2.5%, soybeans down 2.2%, and wheat down 0.63%. Good demand is showing up on Tuesday. In fact, of this week, 11 million bushels were sold to Spain and an unknown buyer of soybeans. Also, 6.6 million bushels of corn sold to Mexico. Corn market highlights, well, ending stocks could tighten even more in USDA's January report. Exports may rise, and the USDA's final 2024 yield estimate is seen as falling. Also, margins are supporting ethanol producers underpinning buying, and the funds, the outside investors, keep adding to their long positions. All of those are bullish to the corn market. Soybean market, a bit different picture. Carry is being pulled out of the market right now. Funds are short. That's a bet that the market is going lower. Also, Brazil's crop looks like a record. Heavy rains, though, this week and next week expected in the central and the eastern part of the country. 8 to 12 inches of rain may cause some flooding in those areas next week. Palm oil prices have fallen. And that is putting pressure on the soybean complex. Meanwhile, the soybean crush numbers are favorable for the soybean market. November soybean crush out this week hit 193.9 million bushels. That's below the trade's expectation of 196, but above a year ago's total of 189 million. Still, November's crush total was the third highest on record. Cattle producers are saying ho, ho, ho at this time of the year. Cattle market, technically, according to analysts, it has market fatigue. The packers, though, have enough cattle to slow chain speeds. Feedlots, their feedlot managers are current on their marketings, though, and they can wait a week for better prices. Now, interesting note for the cattle market, for the past 19 years, it has rallied between now and the new year. The reason? Demand. The amount of meals during the holidays pushes up beef demand. Also, cattle futures mirror the stock market closer than other meats. Be sure to subscribe and like Your World in Agriculture for more farm content. I'm Mike McGinnis.